This time, pursuant to previous discussions, sake request carry out because we have no report.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the jury appeals step down and call away just briefly. What is it? Hang on a second, ma'am. What is this witness being offered for?
This witness is being offered in regards to the NMS reports, that were tendered to the defense in regards to the blood and urine of Ms. Benning, and the testing of that blood and urine that went to the cause of death in this particular case.
You're wanting her declared an expert in what field?
And laboratory testing of toxicology.
Is she a toxicologist?
She is.
Okay. And the state's objection is what?
That we have no report. We have her CV, but no report to know what the parameters of her.
You have a report from her?
She didn't give a report. She looked at the
Notes.
evidence.
Do you have any
Do you have any
report?
notes?
No, I'm asking you, do you have any information from her that would be considered a statement?
I don't, Your Honor. I asked
I'm
her.
not talking about you, I'm talking about your firm, your counsel.
No, I am the firm counsel. We don't have anything. I've met with her on several occasions. I have my work product, but I don't have any notes from her.
So she's never emailed you or anything like that?
Of course. But
Those
it
would
wasn't a
be
report.
her notes.
I don't have notes from her. She may have emailed me in regards to what time is the Zoom call, or are we?
She doesn't have a report.
No.
So what do you want me to do?
We would hear her testimony out of the presence of the jury for the court to determine whether it will materially assist the jury and basically a McDaniel hearing.
So you're thinking this particular witness isn't qualified as a toxicologist?
No, it's the substance of what she testified about that we have no knowledge. She just now says about NMS. Well, if we'd had a report, we might know whether to have had.
Some people don't do reports for tactical reasons.
Yes. And it would appear, since the witness has a notebook with her, that there may be some, if nothing else, jinx material that we would.
What is all that?
Your Honor, it is my brief notes to prepare for testimony today and the NMS reports that were provided.
Okay. Do they have a right to look at that?
Sure.
How long do you need to do that? See, the jury's back there thinking, I won't say what they're thinking.
Judge, prior to the last trial, when we had this come up, certainly recall that the court said witnesses would be excluded if they did not prepare a report. And here we are now without a report.
I don't know if I said that.
As well as counsel saying that they are only intending to call Eric Devlin.
Well, I don't know who that is. I mean, this person's listed on this witness list.
We have provided the state.
Lena Gill.
We have provided the state a full list of all of our experts and a brief summary of what they are to testify about. The rules and the statute does not require that every expert draft a report. Any notes that Dr. DeGarry may have, I don't have those notes, and they are more than willing to look at whatever notes that she's made in order to assist herself in this testimony in the same manner Dr. Nathun had to give me notes when she turned over almost 10 pages of notes to
Do
me.
you have all of your notes pulled out?
The records.
Do you want to look at those, the state want to look at those before she testifies?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Run copies of those, Mr. Evans. And of Dr. Bartolome, Dr. Larkin, and Dr. Lindsay. How many of those do you plan on calling?
All of them.
Do they have notes?
I can find out.
Do they have reports?
They do not have reports. All of our experts, Your Honor, reviewed all of the toxicology reports in this case. There were almost 13 toxicology reports in this case that needed to be interpreted. There were litigation packets that went along with those toxicology reports that were out of the purview of counsel's knowledge. We're not scientists, so we had to actually confer with experts in order to understand the science in this case.
Sure.
And so we hired experts to assist us to do that.
Could you have someone get from those other 3 doctors their notes that they would be using to testify?
I certainly can.
And get those to the state?
I certainly can.
All right, go ahead and do that. How long is the state meeting?
Judge, we were very much under the impression, based off of Your Honor's prior rulings in the hearings, that if they did not provide us reports, their experts would not be allowed to testify. We would have had Dr. Mithun stay so that she could be in the courtroom and listen to this, so that we could recall her as a witness. We are without our experts, which is exactly what we said when we asked Your Honor to exclude them if they
I don't
did
think I
not
can
provide a
exclude them when
report.
they don't provide a report. The rule talks about turning over a report and discovery if there is one.
And Your Honor, the state didn't give us notes of all of their experts.
They got the
I don't know.
litigation packet, that is their
We
note.
Said you had
asked for that litigation
1,300 pages.
We asked for that litigation packet and paid for it ourselves. The state did not provide it to us. We provided it to them.
Do you want time to get Dr. Carney or anyone else up here?
Judge, our toxicologist is in Pennsylvania.
We never said we
I
wanted.
didn't ask you to say anything. So what do you want me to do? Declare a mistrial? Delay it till next Monday?
Would Your Honor allow us to contact Dr. Mithun and see if she is available to watch it by video so we can at least confer with her after this witness testifies? If she was present today, she would be allowed in the courtroom.
Sure, she can go on, as I'm understanding it, live streaming and watch it.
May I step out to get in touch with her to see
Sure.
if she's available to do that?
All right, get those other notes. We'll be in a 15-minute recess.
When I heard this,